In this video, we will talk about how to fix Discord not opening. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Stop Discord background running app. Right-click on bottom bar and select Task Manager. Here, you need to look for Discord processes. Click in Task Manager Search and type Discord. Right-click Discord processes. Select End Task. After doing so, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. A simple restart can often clear out lingering processes or conflicts. Method 2. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut. Choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. This gives Discord elevated permissions, which may resolve startup issues. Or you can permanently set Discord to run on Administrator. For that, right-click the Discord shortcut. Select Properties. Click on Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. So that's how you can fix Discord not opening. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods to fix the issue, linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.